What's up guys, today I'm gonna tell you about my earnings from selling AI images. If you find this video interesting and you wanna learn how to sell AI images, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm currently testing a lot of websites, but in today's video I will show you only the websites that earning me money. So let's not waste more time and let's go move to the PC. So we're gonna start with the lowest earning websites and then we're gonna move on the highest earnings websites. So currently I upload on websites like Shutterstock, Wirestock, Deposit Photos, 123RF, FreePic and Adobe Stocks. So let's start with the lowest, which is Wirestock. Currently I made $0. Next one is Shutterstock. As you can see, I earn only 10 cents. But as you can see, I get a lot of declines. So maybe that's the case. Here is small peek from my new project. I decided I wanna try print on demand. Currently I made one sale, which was some t-shirt that takes me all around 5 minutes to do. But if you are interested in print on demand projects, let me know down in the comments. So let's continue. Next one is 123RF. As you can see, I made only 3 sales, which is total 65 cents. And this morning I earned 22 cents. Next one is FreePic. As you can see, I made €3, which is around $3. Isn't bad or good because I upload only 1 month, which is kinda good, as you can see. And the last one on our list is Adobe Stock. As you can see, I earn pretty big money, which is $15. And that's it for this video. Have you learned something new? You wanna see more of these type of videos? Let me know down in the comments. Also, I answer every single question in the comments, so if you have any question, feel free to ask. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!